In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hotmail for support. If you're using a Hotmail address today, you're actually using Outlook.com, which is Microsoft's updated webmail service. The support options live right inside Outlook, so I'll walk you through getting to the built-in help area and finding the guidance you need. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft's Outlook sign-in page. This is the official portal for Outlook.com and former Hotmail accounts. Using the official Microsoft site ensures your account stays secure and you're seeing the most up-to-date support tools. On that page, click Sign In. Enter the email address you use for your Hotmail or Outlook account, then proceed to authenticate as you normally would. If your browser shows multiple saved profiles, make sure you pick the correct one associated with your mailbox. Keeping your login details private and signing in only on trusted devices is always a good idea. Once you're signed in and your inbox is visible, look toward the top right of the screen for the Help option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word Help or a small question mark icon. Click it to open the Help pane. If a compact panel appears first, click Help again inside that panel to fully expand it so you can see more options. This is where Microsoft surfaces troubleshooting guidance, how-tos, and links to resolve common issues. In the Help pane, scroll down until you reach the Featured Help section. These are curated articles and tools that address the most frequent questions, things like account settings, sending and receiving mail, managing junk or spam, storage limits, and other essentials. Scrolling ensures you don't miss items that may sit just below the initial view, especially on smaller screens. Next, choose one of the featured help tips that best matches what you need. When you select a tip, it opens detailed guidance written by Microsoft, often with clear steps, screenshots, and links to related topics. Follow the instructions provided there. Many solutions can be completed right within Outlook.com. Some articles may also link to additional support resources on Microsoft's website for deeper troubleshooting. That's the complete path. Sign in on the official Outlook page. Open the Help area from your inbox, scroll to Featured Help, and pick the tip that fits your issue. If you don't immediately see what you need, the Help pane also typically includes a search bar at the top, so you can quickly look up specific topics by keyword. Keep your account secure, stay on Microsoft's official site, and remember to sign out if you're on a shared computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need faster.